What do you do when your spouse tells you that they want to get divorced? Hi, my name is Jay Haidt. I'm an American-Israeli attorney with offices in Tel Aviv, Haifa, and Jerusalem. And a lot of times people come to me and they say, hey, my husband or my wife has told me that they want to get divorced. What do I do? And the answer to that really depends on what they want to do. If you also want to get divorced and you can agree on most of the issues, then the easiest and best thing for you and for your family in the future would be to reach an agreement with your spouse. In other words, you would enter into a written agreement which would cover all of the major issues in divorce: custody of children if there are any, child support payments if there are any children, division of assets, etc. And then after you've signed that agreement, you would either take it into family court or into rabbinic court, where there would be a hearing, and the rabbinic court or the family court would affirm the agreement as a judgment, and then you would set an additional date with the rabbinic court where you would have the get ceremony and you would be divorced. On the other hand, if either you don't want to get divorced or you can't agree with your spouse on the terms for an agreement, then you may end up in litigation where you'd be suing over these same issues. In other words, if there are children, over custody and child support payments, over the division of assets, etc. But the bottom line is that at the end of the day, once the litigation was over and a third-party judge or dayan, rabbinic court judge, made these decisions for you, you would still go through the same process. The judgment would be affirmed, and after the judgment has been affirmed, either by the rabbinic court or the family court, you would make an appointment in the rabbinate to have the get ceremony, and after that, you would be divorced. Why is this important for you? Well, if you're considering getting divorced, or if your spouse has told you that they want to get divorced, you really need to speak to a professional who understands and works in the family law area, because the way your case is handled can really affect your rights and therefore can really affect your well-being and your family's well-being far into the future. I answer questions like these and help people with these issues every day. I'd be happy to help you. Pick up the phone and call me. My name is Jay Haidt. My phone number in the US is 201-696-3947, and my phone number in Israel is 077-200-8161. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.